How to fix can't install or download Love and Deepspace app on Android from Play Store. First, you have to check the device compatibility and requirements. Love and Deepspace is a demanding game. First, ensure your device meets the minimum specifications. Memory, 3 GB RAM and above, Android 6.0 and above, Mali 678 MP22 and above. Let me show you the basic troubleshooting steps. A simple restart can often resolve temporary glitches. Ensure you have a strong and stable Wi-Fi connection. If you are on a mobile data, make sure you have a good signal strength. You will need significant free storage. Many users report needing at least 4 GB, but it's best to have more 10 to 25 GB. For the advanced troubleshooting steps, you could try clearing Google Play Store cache and data. This is very common fix for Play Store issues. You can also clear data completely or reinstall the app for a fix.